Buckle up. The formula consists of three pillars as follows. The first pillar: whenever you think of a coding question, what I want you to do first is to try to come up with a brute force approach. A brute force approach is the easiest but slowest solution that you can come up with to solve a coding question. The time this algorithm takes to execute is usually far greater than the optimal solution, and this is actually why a lot of students underestimate their power. They think like this: okay, this coding question probably has a solution in big O of n time, performing at most 1 million iterations. So why would I waste time thinking about a stupid slow solution in big O of n cube, which not even a quantic computer would be able to solve it in time? Well, first of all, a slow solution is better than no solution at all. And I actually have a funny story about this. I have a friend which had a coding interview at some normal company in Romania, and he was able to pass that interview even though he couldn't find the optimal solution to one of the problems. He was very surprised by the result himself, but he thought, okay, maybe they really loved his CV, or maybe they really liked him during the interview. But that was not the case. A couple of months later, he befriended the interviewer and he asked him why did he pass. The interviewer told him that actually no candidate was able to find the optimal solution to that problem, but he was the only one who at least came up with a brute force approach, was able to explain it well, and was able to code it well. I think that speaks for itself. Second of all, nobody tells you this, but a lot of times the brute force approach is very close to the optimal one. You just need to come up with it and then find its bottleneck, the part of that algorithm which can be optimized, and there you have the optimal solution. And even better, those optimizations are not hard to find at all. They are usually done using a data structure or a technique which you've learned in the past and was designed to solve exactly that job.